You may be able to treat snoring by making changes in your lifestyle and in the way you prepare for sleep. For example, lose weight if you're overweight. Go to bed at the same time every night, and get plenty of sleep. Sleep on your side, not on your back. Try sewing a pocket in the middle of the back of your pajama top, putting a tennis ball into the pocket, and stitching it closed. This will help keep you from sleeping on your back. Limit your use of alcohol and medicines such as sedatives before you go to bed. Quit smoking. Raise the head of your bed 4 in 10 centimeters to 6 in 15 centimeters by putting bricks under the legs of the bed. Using pillows to raise your head and upper body won't work. Promptly treat breathing problems, such as a stuffy nose caused by a cold or allergies. Try a nasal dilator to help keep your airway open. This is a device, such as nose strips or discs, that you attach to the outside of your nose while you sleep. Nose strips widen the nostrils and improve airflow. Nasal discs create back pressure in your airways that may help keep them open. If you have nasal congestion, you can try clearing your nasal passages or using medicines such as decongestants and nasal corticosteroid sprays. These open the airway, permitting a smoother airflow. They may reduce snoring. Be safe with medicines. Read and follow all instructions on the label. Don't use the medicine longer than the label says. Oral breathing devices sometimes can treat snoring, especially if it is caused by jaw position during sleep. These devices push the tongue and jaw forward to improve airflow. If your bed partner is bothered by your snoring, he or she may try using earplugs or machines that play ambient music or natural sounds. These can block or cover up the noise. Nutritional counseling can help people who snore and are overweight. At the link in the description of this video, you can learn easy throat exercises defeated the most stubborn snoring and sleep apnea the very first night. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded.